I'm tired of buying expensive front lips.
Highly suggest stay away from this one.
Knowing damn well in about 6 to 8 months, I'm gonna need to buy a new one. So I bought a cheap one from eBay and it's $200 and it's for the GR86 back there. But $200 is kind of pricey, but compared to other track inspired front lips, I think this one is worth it. This is how they ship the lip. No packaging, no nothing, literally just wrapped in plastic bags. Oh my goodness, this is some thick plastic. So hopefully this can survive the abuse of driveways. Oh man, there's a couple spots that I don't like. So there's one big issue with this front lip and it's right in the middle. And you see that missing piece? Hopefully it's not too noticeable when we put it on the car. Other than that missing piece in the front, I really like this because I can't tell if it's rubber or plastic, but this thing is flexible. You know what that means. We're probably gonna be going over a couple curbs with this one. This is how thick this material is. It's like 1/8, almost 1/6 of an inch, which is pretty hefty. I have a bit of damage on the front right of this bumper. I don't know where this is from, but this is from my original lip. And that's because I didn't bolt down the original lip. So I'm assuming what happened when I would hit it going over a driveway or something was that it would, you know, twist and rub. I could probably polish this out, but for right now, I'm just focused on getting the new lip installed. To see how well these holes line up and how well matches to the bumper. Guys, what is this? What is this? Look at this fitment. Oh my gosh. Holes here, 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 and all the way throughout. And it looks like it's supposed to match up with these holes. I guess my only issue is that these ones go up sort of, and these ones are flat. I just found out that I had it upside down the whole time. So it's supposed to go something like this, which makes a lot more sense, but I can't get a judgment of the fitment. After lots of trials and error, the clip is just not going in just because this material is way too thick. So I was like, oh, let me use the nuts and bolts that they gave me. And I don't know if they expect you to take the whole bumper off installing this, but that's just way too much work to install a front lip in my opinion. So the next best thing is installing self-tappers, which I'm gonna do. After a failed attempt, it was time for a solution. These are rib nuts, and basically what you do is drill a hole, stick this through, and then use this tool to kind of make sure it clamps outwards, and you can use this time and time again. This is a way better solution than self-tappers because not only is it more secure, but I can reuse the holes if I choose to get a new lip. This is before, and this is after. And the right side is done. Time to get the middle going, but already guys, this is looking way, way better already. Oh my goodness. So let me just finish up the middle part. Shablam, here we go. Oh my goodness, this thing looks so good. I did make a miscalculation that you could kind of see the screw right there, and you can see it there, but honestly, you're not even gonna be able to see it unless you're looking for it, and you have to get really low at the right. You can't even see it from there. You have to get up close and personal to even see it. So I don't know. I feel like that's good enough for me, and this changes the whole look. We even got the little side vortex generators right there, which is a nice touch. But dude, this thing looks so sick.
To sum it up, it's very easy to install a front lip. You just need a drill, some patience, and possibly a rib nut tool. I really like this lip because it's more track focused than the others I've seen. Also, it's securely fastened to the front bumper and I don't have to worry about it coming off. My only concern is that it feels like rubber, so maybe in time it'll fade, but I guess we'll just have to see. Thanks for tuning in.